When I was working in the finance industry, I realized that I did have a personal impact. Other than just the day-to-day, corporate world, I felt that I had to do more. There was more that, I could do. And when I discovered waste management, I realized that this was an industry where the impact was so large and scalable that it would give me that satisfaction in being part of creating a change in the green movement, in the sustainability movement. We started officially in 2022 with just the circular model working, so where we would collect waste, take it to the dump site. But now we have been working on pivoting towards circularity. So typically our day would begin in the wee hours of the morning. So that would typically be around 3-4 a.m. with the collection team, which is mainly composed of a driver in a single truck with loaders. And they would take certain routes that have already been predetermined. We mostly would collect around Kiambu area, Kiambu County, and parts of Nairobi. Those are the parts where we are licensed to operate. And they would do the rounds in collecting the various designated routes for a particular day. And once that collection is done, it will be brought here to the staff that you see working around us. They would then sort that waste into the various categories that are required for recycling. Currently, we are bringing about 30 tons a day. That's what we collect. So we started with a very modest figure of about 18 employees. And now we have a mix of permanent employees and male and female that run into about 43 employees.
Kusema kweli, tangu niingie hapa Guru Hygenix, nimepata mengi mazuri. Nimeweza hata kununua kangali nikiwa hapa. Nimenunua ile pickup yangu. Nimenunua kutoka kwa hii mshahara ya hapa Guru Hygenix.
Hapa nimefanya almost 3 years. Nilikuwa nikipata pesa, napeleka watoto shule, kukura, kukaa, imenisaidia. Kuna mabadiliko. Ni kwa sababu hao watu wako kwa hii area, wako kazi hapa. Venye ilifunguliwa, walipewa first priority, ndio wapate kazi hapa. Kwa hivyo mimi naona imesaidia hii area sana.
So as a business, we've really morphed all through the various challenges. One of the biggest challenges I'd highlight are regulatory. And the challenge mostly is the regulations are good. But what they do is that they have a cost impact on not only us as operators, but at the end of that chain is the user. I learned about Swift from various friends on the social media platforms. And the honest truth is that since joining that program, it's been tremendously life-changing. So for instance, we were trained on continuous improvement, courtesy of the sponsorship of Swift, the Swift program. And that has kind of shifted the mental perception of waste, not only for our employees, but even visibly to our customers. We've got equipment support from Swift. We've also got technical assistance. They've walked the journey with us. In the medium term, we want to learn as much as we can. The bigger vision is to increase the scope of waste management. We want to completely have an ecosystem that's self-reliant.